Okay, so the printer's been built, but we're having problems with the extruder. It hasn't been calibrated either to print, but I'm quite happy with the software here as it's working. I've removed the NTC transistor from the hot end nozzle. It's close to it but not touching it. There's a problem with it, the wire short circuiting. If we send them all home, this is what happens. And when this first setup, the Z motor used to wobble. There's a slight wobble at the bottom, but it seems fairly smooth. From here we can turn up and down the fan as well. Now the heated print bed is at 49.8 degrees. Apart now. That is quite warm. I don't want to heat the extruder nozzle because it's not connected to the NTC transistor. I'll need the proper cables to do that. And as we can see, I can raise it. That's up 10 mil. I can raise it up a millimeter at a time. Move the y-axis. Ten millimeters at a time. Send Z right up the top. To 60. Now we'll do it in increments of 10. Right up to 200, which is the highest height it can go. Let's bring it back down to 15. Quite happy it's working. Thank you.